You're just one step away from everything that you wanted in your life. But wait, what is that one step? Whenever you are taking a decision, you are on a crossroad. You're undecided. You're deciding that whether to go right or left, and you're afraid of that. Whether it's starting a YouTube channel, e-commerce, or learning real estate or anything else. The one thing that you're afraid of is the fear of the unknown. You're not sure of the success, you're not sure of the road, you're not sure of the path, and you're doubting yourself too, which is most difficult. But here's the easy thing. Today I'm going to tell you how to get over that fear and take your first step. Let me tell you a secret. It's easy and it's doable. I'm going to tell you a secret today that's easy to follow, and you're gonna get whatever you want in your life easily just by following those steps. YouTube changed my life in last couple of months, and I'll tell you how. And before that, I'll tell you that I wanted to be the famous person as everybody else on YouTube, and a rich person like no, not like him, but like anybody else, who's famous, like Mr. Beast and everything. I wanted to earn money. I wanted to live a free life. I wanted to talk to people, help people out, and that's where I got the idea that I have to start from somewhere, because without starting it, these are all dreams, and dreams without actions are just dreams. And if you want the juicy stuff, that how much I earn and what are my other businesses and everything, we will come to that later. But right now, first thing first, you have to realize one thing: you will never be ready. Yes, you heard it right. You will never be ready 100% for anything in your life until you take the first step. Whatever your goal is, to become a bodybuilder, a swimmer, or maybe a businessman, or anything, you have to take that first step, because the fear of unknown is taking you back a long time. You don't need that. You have to go forward. It's a very good saying that if you have to fall forward, because there is nothing back. Everything is in front of you. You have to go and catch that. That's a difficult part. Most of the people fail that, because if for example want to have a perfect body, what I have to do is to start exercise, go to the gym, running, everything. That will just start the process. Then I'll have to cut my diet according to what I need, whether I want a bulk the body or I want a lean body. Why is the first step so important? Because the first step is so important. It tells you that what is your weakness, what is your strength. For example, if I have to go to the gym, only and only will I know my strengths when I'll start pick up weights. That will tell me that my biceps are weak too. I have to work on that. I have to work on my chest, legs, thighs, everything. That the first step will tell me that. Then I'll plan accordingly. I have to give one day to bicep, one to tricep, and this is how you plan for your life. If you want to become a businessman, you cannot become a businessman in one day. You have to start small. You have to start a business from, just get an idea that from $100, what can you start? From $10, what can you do? This tough money schedule and tight pocket will tell you what are the easy steps, what are the hard steps, and what was the difficulty you face. If you are a businessman, you will make the $10 to $100 in no time. Then you will take that $100 to the $1,000. That's how you progress. You cannot just imagine that you will become a businessman. You plan everything, but you're not taking the first step. You're on a zero. It's hard to hear that, but that's the truth. So that happens with everybody. People are trained to follow success. They don't want to follow the trail that leads there, which is hard work, which is learning. Why everybody is not a businessman? Because people are hardwired to follow shiny things, car, money, and they see that success only. They don't see the businessman behind it, the hard work, the efforts they have put in. That's why when that comes to them, they are unable to do so. They are not able to run a single race of life because they are not ready for it. They just thought that it's going to happen in one day, and it didn't. So what you have to do is plan every step of your life. Step 1, step 2, step 3, and divide these goals into milestones. Achieve one milestone at a time, easy milestones. That's how you reach one big goal. I hope this video helps you and you are ready for it. Watch the next video. That's Power Fun Music Rain. Thank you. Take care.